If you're a mindset performance coach and you're looking to scale your business to the next level and you want consistency, predictability, and have high qualified customers attracted to you so you don't have to go out there and be a slave to the posting algorithms or Facebook groups or organic outreach. And imagine having high quality customers DMing you wanting to get into your program. So this is the final video that you will ever need to watch if you're looking to take your business to the next level. I'm going to give you all the sauce that you need. If you want to implement it yourself, you'll know exactly what to do, who to hire, what's the next steps, what content to make. And if you want help with my team helping you do it, you have that option as well. So without further ado, let's hop into this diagram here. So this is the diagram that's going to be set up here. And this time frame can be as fast as 30 days. You can set this up, but really we're looking at about 12 months. If you can build this out to get it locked in over the next 12 months, you can consistently be doing over $50,000 a month in your mindset of performance business. Okay. So I'm going to start here on the left here where it says top of funnel. So we're going to have a top of funnel, middle funnel, and the bottom of the funnel. Okay. So this strategy is based off of something that I call the social funnel. Okay. So we're going to be using Instagram and Instagram ads and YouTube to nurture our content. So make sure you look at my past videos where I show you exactly how to do that. I'm not going to cover that in this video. I'm going to be showing you the actual, system right here in this part. Okay. So the top of the funnel is how we're going to actually get clients into our system, right? Cold traffic. One of the biggest issues I had in my first 7-figure business was I was never able to tap into the cold market because selling mindset and selling performance where there's no actual result, you're not selling Amazon or Airbnb, there's nothing tangible. I could never figure out how to tap into the cold market. So my entire 7 figures was all warm market. So if you're going to want to scale your business, you're going to have to learn how to tap into the cold market. We talk about that in your offer and your offer positioning. So what we're going to be focusing on here at the top of the funnel, which is your cold traffic mechanism, is getting organic content. And this organic content is going to be posted on your Instagram. So you're going to be creating nice, thought after, and I have a script, and maybe I'll put the script in the description. I'll give it to you guys. But you want to script out your messaging to hit on a specific person and their problems. So when I sold mindset to network marketers who were part-time, who wanted to make $10,000 a month in a Forex network marketing company. 90% of my clients were Forex traders in that niche. So whenever I said my offer, and my offer was, I will teach you how to reprogram your subconscious mind to become a better trader and network marketer so you can leave your job in the next 90 days and go full-time and make $10,000 a month in your network marketing company. Guess what? I had a close rate of 60 to 70% because I took something that was intangible and I attached it to an end result that they wanted that was monetary so they could justify paying me $10,000 for my mindset program that I had with Bob Proctor. So you got to learn if you don't at this time, or if you want to take it to the next level and scale to 100 grand a month or more, you got to attach it there. Okay. So one of the best places that you can do that is with your organic content because you're not putting any money behind the ads at this point yet. The second part is you're going to have your actual Instagram ad itself. So this is when you're dialed in on your offer and your messaging, and you could be spending anywhere from $30 to $50 a day up to $100 a day. It's completely up to you. You don't even need to be at $100 a day, okay? But when your messaging is dialed in, and you know what your dream avatar is, and Meta's going out there and finding people that are in your lookalike audience, and I teach this, how to do all these things. What will happen is that your ad will only be fed to people that look exactly like your dream customer. So when you say your opening line and your ad is scripted out correctly, the conversions and the amount of followers that you're going to start to get is on another level. So that's the ad part. That's how we're actually attracting people to your ecosystem. One is going to be nurturing them. The other is attracting it. And then we have the YouTube channel. You guys are on my YouTube channel right now. You guys are part of my social funnel. So see the difference here on my YouTube channel compared to my Instagram? Here, I'm able to actually give you way more value than a 90-second reel. I can sit and share my screen and give you all the things that you need to scale your business. So what I'm doing is I'm giving you a value in advance. So you'll be giving your clients whatever you're helping them do. You'll be giving them value in advance by creating YouTube channels that are geared towards solving their problems. All right. So that's the third part in the top of the funnel here. So by doing these three, what you're going to gain is you're going to start to gain Instagram followers. All right, Instagram followers. So now we got this brand new person into your ecosystem who's a potential customer for your high ticket mindset or performing coaching business, but they're not going to buy yet. As you know, it's almost impossible to convert somebody on a 30-second video. So what we have to do is we have to nurture them. This person needs at least 7 hours of content before they feel ready to purchase your program. That 7 hours can be in one day, in one week, in one month. But think about how many how many Instagram reels do they have to watch for them to get that 7 hours? You see how YouTube comes into play. So once you have your YouTube dialed in, they'll start binge watching your content. I wouldn't be surprised if you're binge watching my content as we speak right now, right? So this is what we're talking about. So you're going to be creating a series of videos to nurture this audience. So how we're going to nurture them is by two different methods. The first one is the social funnel, using that Instagram content, posting once a day of content that's dialed in with your messaging, Instagram and YouTube. The second part is your retargeting ads. So you know what those retargeting ads is, those ads that are following you around and you're on your stories and this and that. They're some of the cheapest ads to run because they're only running it to a specific small group of people, but they're the highest converting. And I teach you how to set them up. If you know how to set them up, put them on it and put an omnipresent retargeting campaign on your custom audience, and it'll make a huge difference in your ROI because people need to see you every day, every day, every day. So when you have your ads attracting your customer, they're now watching your content. Now you have your retargeting ads that are hitting them every single day. It's like they can't run away from you. And day by day, you're building relationship with them. Okay. So what you're going to be doing, whether it's on the Instagram side, the YouTube side, or on your retargeting ads, is you're going to have a CTA right here, a call to action. Your call to action is for them to DM you on Instagram. The work is going to be done in the conversations. Your Instagram is going to be your biggest assets because gone are the days of sending people cold traffic to a VSL or a webinar or a challenge. It's going to be so expensive for you to try. It's going to cost you $300 just to get somebody on the phone. But if you're having conversion conversations, building relationships with those people in your DMs, the chances of them showing up to the call skyrocket. The relationships with them wanting to buy your program because they have a relationship with you before they get on a call skyrockets. So we're going to be having these conversion conversations, and you're going to want to follow a script so that when you get these people who are interested, sending you the keyword over to your Instagram, that you know exactly what to say to convert them over to a call, because we don't go in straight in for the call. We add value before we book that call with them. So we have the CTA, leads to DM conversation, and then once we provided enough value, they're excited, they're busting at the brim to get on a call with you. That's when you run your sales call or your offer call, and you present your high ticket program, whatever it is that you're offering. Okay. They get on the call, and because this person is not a complete stranger, the conversion rates are going to skyrocket, and you're going to have, for me, it was over 60%. So for every 10 people that got on a call, six of them paid me 10 grand or more to get on a call. And you'll start to know these numbers once your business gets up and running, right? And they turn into a customer. Once you turn them into a customer, you get them into onboarding, you get them in your program, you get them results, and you turn that into a case study. And that case study then eventually feeds back into the funnel, because you're going to take this case study, run it as a retargeting ad or content for your YouTube channel to further nurture those customers, because you need those case studies. You need that social proof that you know what you're doing. So you see how the entire system starts to self-perpetuate. And so that's how you go from 10K, 30K, 50K, 100K, and start to scale going to the next level. Okay. So what do we have to do here is we're going to look here on the right side. And so the first step that you need in order to implement this system is you need to have a clear message and consistent traffic. The biggest problem that mindset coaches and performance coaches have is that they're not dialed in on the customers that they work with. You got to get that dialed in. Once you dial that in, you need consistent traffic. You need eyeballs on you. Grant Cardone says that you need that attention, because attention equals wealth. And that's where that Instagram ad for only 10, 20, 30, $50 a day comes in. So if you meet, it's like sparks on the fire, or sorry, what do you call it? Tinder and fire. So if you have clear messaging and you get in front of the right person, it explodes and they turn into a follower. The next thing, you need to be consistent. with your content to nurture them. Every day, posting a piece of content. You can batch it. Doesn't gotta be a 12-hour per day thing. This is like my 15th video. I made about 14 reels before this, and now I'm making a YouTube video. I'm batching all my content for the entire week in one day, in literally about 3 hours. Doesn't gotta take a lot of time, but you gotta know exactly the steps that you're doing. So be in their face, nurturing and giving them value, giving them value. And then you want to have a cold friendly offer. That's something I was never able to figure out in my first business, was how do I get my mindset offer with Bob Proctor and get it to a cold market that people don't know me outside of this network marketing company to scale. And I paid guys hundreds of thousands of dollars and they couldn't figure it out until I learned how to do that now. And so, with a system like this, the final one here is having a scalable delivery. No more one on one coaching, no more group coaching. Stop with the courses. Courses don't get people results. One on one is not scalable. And group coaching, you're still a slave because you got to be on that call every week and they're asking you for content. That's why you got to build a mastermind. And I've made content for that. The mastermind is basically building community around your program where it basically becomes this self-perpetuating organism. So now your customers go to the group for answers and not coming to you, which gives you back your time. Your customers take more responsibility for themselves, and the community becomes so valuable that they're willing to pay you every single week to keep access to that community. And I showed you how to do that on the business model video. Okay, so go check that one out. So you want to make sure that you have a scalable business model. And the coolest thing about this system, as you see here, you can do it with as little as one person on your team. One person, which is a setter right here, who's doing the DMs, who's having the conversations. You could be doing the sales calls yourself, or you can hire a closer. But the minimum that you'll need as a setter, somebody in your DMs having the conversations, booking the calls, whether they're on your calendar or on a setter's calendar. And with a system like this, you can literally scale your mindset and performance coaching business to the next level. So go implement this yourself. I gave you the steps that you needed to do. Go put it together. To be quite frank, I tried to do it. It was very difficult. And I spent tens of hours trying to do it until I hired a mentor. He showed me how to do it, and I've been able to scale my business to the next level. So if you want help to do this, go ahead and look in the description below and DM me on Instagram the word hero, and we'll get on a call. And literally, the system we're having here, there's nothing to hide. I'm fully transparent. We're going to see if you're a good fit for myself and my team to implement and put this system into your business so we can scale your business, your coaching business to the next level. So go ahead and DM me here on Instagram, or if you like content like this, go ahead and implement it yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.